What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Yet again, we have another video for y'all. Today we have a ton to talk about. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your host, Coach Rocky here, and today we are going to be talking about the top stocks that trade incoming tomorrow. So hopefully you guys had a good Merry Christmas. Okay, happy holidays for those who celebrate it or may not celebrate it. Okay, Merry Christmas, happy holidays to all. We have a ton to talk about today, and guys, for the giveaway, okay, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications if you haven't already. I'm gonna be picking the winners of the giveaway in 3 days. So if you haven't done so, make sure to do all the steps listed above. Okay, also let me know, okay, I say this, what are you gonna do with the money? Okay, what stocks are you looking into, or just if you need it for something else, let me know down below in the comments. Okay, but anyways, first of all, guys, we gotta talk about ticker symbol TSLA, and this video is gonna go by fast because I have to go ahead and daily upload. Okay, you know how it is. I have to continue my grind, guys. The grind doesn't stop. Okay, we're back at a ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is sitting at 471.72 overnight. It is up 2%, guys. So Tesla is now making its rally to $500. Okay, Tesla on the week, it's about to cross up positive for the week, which is pretty surprising. Okay, so right now we're going for that 480 break. If you guys knew earlier, okay, if we take a look at the 1 month chart, Tesla's upper resistance is at the 484 level. So if we go ahead and break this resistance, we're set sail to $500. Okay, I want you guys to watch out for these levels though, because overnight, okay, it is up 2%. Although it is up 2%, this could potentially give us a fake out. Okay, so make sure you guys watch out for the break of 480 for this momentum to continue. Okay, otherwise a lot of people are going to be shaken out tomorrow with this one. But for Tesla, we have delivery numbers reporting in next week. Okay, it's a catalyst that can help push Tesla up to 500. I'm going to be taking a look at hit trade options right now. Take a look at Tesla options, guys. The 450 call that we mentioned earlier, okay, is sitting at 1675. I'm curious to see how it opens tomorrow, and I saw a ton of you guys talking about Tesla options down below in the comments. So if you guys are up on Tesla options, okay, make sure to take a profit off this. Okay, don't let a winning trade go to a losing trade. Okay, I don't want any one of you guys to be greedy. Let's go ahead and take some profits here. Okay, coach said, okay, if you're up on Tesla right now, okay, you should be up on Tesla, take some profit, leave some on the table. Okay, make sure you guys profit, man. This Tesla stock ran up from down below like 6%. So for that move to occur, it is crazy. But guys, make sure you lock in some profit. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking, coach, do I sell this option? Do I keep holding it? All right, it's up to you, but coach thinks that it's best for a person to lock in them gains. Okay, we need to take these gains, take them out, move them somewhere else. Okay, we're gonna do another play shortly, so I need you guys to lock in your gains. Okay, that's one thing about options. Okay, you might see that you're up 400%, 500% on Tesla, but guys, you gotta lock it in. Okay, don't let it, you don't have to sell it on the day it expires. Okay, you can actually sell it earlier. So for those who don't know options, basically, if you buy a call and the stock goes up, you make money as the stock goes up, not when it hit its strike price. So if you're up on Tesla, okay, you don't have to wait until, you know, December 27th to sell. You can actually sell right now, take that profit, move it somewhere else. Okay, a 500-400% option gain is pretty good in the market. That is really good, guys. So yeah, and also for Tesla, I want you guys to watch a break. Let's go ahead and see right here. So we want a break of 485, but for the support for Tesla, if Tesla breaks below this 462 level, okay, look for puts on Tesla. Okay, because of the fact that it ran up super fast. If it breaks down to 460 below, I think it's gonna go ahead and hit the 456 level next. So we're keeping an eye on Tesla, guys. This stock, once again, very volatile, so we have to see how this goes, but I believe in you all. Okay, let's go ahead and make some money tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get to the next stock. Next up, I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at ticker symbol AMD. This one in particular could go up to the 130 today. Okay, let me just go ahead and give you guys the play. Okay, let's check this out. AMD is sitting at $127.42, up $1, almost 1% overnight. So guys, AMD is about to hit its key level again, and that is $128.10. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at AMD right now. Obviously down 8.78% in the past month, but we have this critical resistance. Okay, it's at 128. Let's see if we can find 128. It's somewhere around here, but guys, on my charts, I have 128.10 marked. So if we go ahead and break 128.10, I'm going to be looking for a move up to 130. So potentially if it breaks 128 entry day tomorrow. Remember guys, last time on AMD, I believe it was Tuesday, AMD was up 1% on the overnight markets, and then when the market hit, it ran up 4%. Okay, let me know. I believe it was Tuesday, so it was just recently. Obviously today was the day off, but I want you guys to take a look. Okay, I want you guys to take a look at the 130 call option. Okay, this is going to be a day trade, so this one for all the traders, go ahead and watch the 130 calls. Okay, sitting at $35 right now. Coach is going to be looking for a break of 128. If we break 128, looking for a strong move up to 132. Okay, that's the next spot. But obviously with call options, we could sell on the way up. So guys, take a look at 128. Okay, we need a break of 128.10 for AMD tomorrow. On the downside for AMD, if AMD goes below 125, I'm looking for a flush to 120. Okay, so let's take a look at 125. So yeah, 125 guys is around right here. If AMD goes to 125, I'm going to be looking for a flush all the way down to 120, like I said earlier. Okay, this is like the 120 level. I want you guys to know this for AMD tomorrow. Okay, on 3 months we're down 20%, but guys, slowly I see AMD recovering, especially for 2025. Okay, once we get these tax loss harvesting people out the way. Okay, these people who are doing tax loss harvesting, they want to go ahead, sell their losing stocks. We're gonna see AMD, a lot of people are gonna jump in, everyone's gonna climb back in, we're gonna soar all the way back to 150s. Okay, but for now, tomorrow I'm looking for a break of 128.10. Okay, and then I'm gonna be looking once again at trade options. I'm gonna be looking at the 130 calls. So guys, I'm gonna be watching this option closely. Okay, remember 125 break, coach is gonna play puts. We're gonna be watching the downside, the 120. So let me know if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and move on to Nvidia. Okay guys, so Nvidia on the contrary, it was down to 140 overnight, but actually it looks like it's about to break 141. So guys, AMD and Nvidia, okay, we play it very similar out here. For Nvidia, I am looking for a break of 142, then we set sail to 145. So guys, Nvidia's up 7% in the past week. Let me know if you made money on Nvidia. If you haven't, this is another opportunity we strike on, guys. So I'm looking for a break of 142. If we break 142, I'm looking for that move up to 145. After 145, we need to go ahead and break that 148 resistance. But for the downside, on the contrary, okay, if Nvidia breaks, let's see here. Okay, so it went back to 137. It broke out. Okay, obviously we did a ton of work here. If Nvidia breaks below 139, I'm giving this a $1 range for Nvidia. Okay, AMD is like $3 apart, so take that into consideration. Okay, I'm looking for a $1 move either way. Coach is going to enter puts or calls, okay, on a break of 142 or on a break on the downside of 139. So I need you guys to pay attention to these key levels on Nvidia. Obviously Nvidia has been moving fast, so take this into consideration. Okay, that's Nvidia for you guys. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. Next up guys, we have ticker symbol PLTR. This one is up 1% overnight, and as you can see in the past week, it is up 12.87%. So guys, if Palantir goes to $80, okay, Coach is gonna load up the boat on Palantir calls, okay, for a day trade. So I've been saying this time and time again. Let's rinse and repeat this. Palantir, when it goes to $10 support level, okay, every $10, it loves to do its own bounce. Okay, this one time Palantir Technologies hit $80, okay, went back down, but we broke the resistance again. So I'm looking for another bounce for Palantir. If it breaks its all-time high, okay, if it go to 84, I see Palantir going up to 90. Okay, but let's go ahead, okay, assess our risk. If Palantir opens down, let's say if Palantir opens down to $80, okay, Coach is going to be looking for a bounce. If Palantir doesn't bounce on $80, okay, under $78, Coach is going to be looking for some puts, but mainly bullish on Palantir right now with absolute momentum on Palantir. Take a look at this. 1 month it is up 23%. Okay, but we have to consider these put options because of all these stocks going to all-time highs, guys. Put options are never out the corner. We make money both ways, so that's just another option. So guys, that was ticker symbol PLTR. Next up, I'm gonna need you all to take a look at ticker symbol AMZN. Yes guys, that is Amazon stock up 0.30 cents overnight. Okay, if we take a look at the 1 week, it is down 0.89%. So for this one, for Amazon, I'm specifically looking for a break of 230.50 cents for a move up to 232. Okay, and on the contrary, okay, I'm gonna be looking for a break, not for 229, I'm going to be looking for a break of 228 for a move on the downside, okay? So keep that in mind for Amazon. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. Last up, we have ticker symbol TSM. This is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, sitting at $208.20, guys. For this one, I'm going to be looking for calls, okay? Take a look at trade hit options. Let's look at December 27th. This is going to be a day trade, okay? I'm going to be taking a look at the $210 calls, okay? Sitting at right now $76, a solid $76. If we take a look at the January 17th calls, okay, these are worth $70. So a bunch of open interests on here, as you can see. Take a look at this, okay? It's sitting up nearly $2 overnight, okay? So for what I'm looking, okay, I was looking for a break of $207.20, but obviously it's up $1 from that. So what I'm gonna look for, okay, for this one, I'm going to be looking for another break, okay, of $209. If it breaks $209 intraday, I'm going to be looking for calls for 210, okay? If it comes down to 207.20, I'm going to be loading up calls too, all right? So that's for TSM. For this one, I'm not looking for puts in particular. For this one, I'm looking for a momentum play, if that makes sense, okay? We got all these other stocks to buy puts on. For this one, it's strictly momentum, so that's why I haven't gave like no put target on TSM, okay? But what I can see for right now, let's take a look at this, okay? Maybe if it goes below 205, I'm gonna be looking for 200 puts, but for this one, 100%, I'm gonna be looking for call options once again for trade options. All right, let's take a look. December 27th, I'm gonna be looking at day trading the $210 call options, okay? So based off how it moves in the beginning 5 minutes, okay, I'm going to be looking for a 210 break because of the fact that 210 is going towards all-time highs for TSM. Okay, take a look at this. It's up. It's having its basically best year in a long time. So it's up 100% the past year. I want to capitalize off of this move. Let's go ahead and get a momentum trade on this, okay? Once again, $210 calls sitting at $76 right now. I'm looking for this, okay? I know it's up 1% overnight. Let's do our best, family. But that was it for the video, family. So if you could please do me a favor, make sure that you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, also turn on post notifications so you guys will know every single time that I post. Guys, we went over a ton of stocks today, okay? Coach believes in all of you, okay? In each and every one of you. Let's go ahead and make some money tomorrow. Coach out.